Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about the largest species of pigeon resident to Sri Lanka. The green Imperial-Pigeon. I have something funny about this bird's look. Is it just me or you too think that this bird looks like President Trump? Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The largest pigeon species in Sri Lanka, predominantly pearl grey with deep green wings and back. The large range extends from Nepal, southern India and Sri Lanka, eastwards to southern China, Indonesia and the Philippines. Inhabits forested areas from the lowlands up into the foothills, including edge areas and second growth near human habitation. They are strong flyers that may cover large distances in a day. It builds a stick nest in a tree and lay a single white egg. These birds are very vocal. Their calls are like named locally as Nila Mahagoya. I have seen the green Imperial-Pigeon at my grandmother's house because there are so many trees and so many fruits for them to eat. Let me give you a small introduction about my country Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a 3,000-year-old civilization based mainly on agriculture, irrigation, religion, natural beauty, and an incredible biodiversity. I will explain more about these in my future videos. Thank you for watching.